Hello, in this video I will show you one possible way to start a spreadsheet and provide some answers to the questions in hands-on number 2. The hands-on number 2 is about an airline that is starting up, and so the first questions will have to do with break-even. What we'll have to calculate is revenue by month and understand when the company starts making money. We will generate a series of months here, and you have to take that far enough into the future so that you capture the break-even event. We're going to have a start cash line. We will have a fixed expense line. We will have number of passengers line, and this line is going to change every month. We will have a variable expense line. We will have a revenue line, and we have an end cash line. And what we will do next is enter some values for these starting numbers, and then we will use some formulas to calculate the evolution of cash, passengers, expenses from month to month.